What's up, guys? It's Bill from HoloModels RC. I have the last version of my Sportster that I made. This one's printed out of Pre-Foamed PLA. I have a 3542 motor in it. Right now I have a 10-inch prop on it. It weighs 1370 grams. So I know I'm not going to be able to fly as slow as I've been with the other ones. But this will be the first time I'm flying it, so it's the Maiden. And I'm ready, so... So I have this one a little bit nose heavy right now. Let me get this thing trimmed. I love the colors of it. And then this model, I designed this model to belly land or to have the gear. And I know at this weight, 1370, I'm a little worried about the gear. It should be okay, we'll see. As long as you don't hit hard, it probably won't break. It seems like it's flying pretty straight. I'm about 45% throttle right now. I'll leave a link in the description to other flight videos of this thing printed out of different kinds of PLA, active foaming, SainSmart, and E-Sun. And like I said, this one has a 3542 motor in it, so it's about as heavy as you could possibly get this thing, is what I was shooting for with this one. I put the steel wires in everywhere, in the leading edge and the 3 that go in the fuselage. It's got both dowels in the front third of the wing and the back third, as well as above the landing gear. So yeah, that was my goal, was to make it as heavy as possible with everything in it, and then put a big motor in it, the 3542. That'll run like a 13-inch prop if I wanted to. So I'm gonna try this with a 12-inch prop. Maybe I should try an 11 first. I'm worried about the gear bending a little bit if you have a hard landing and then the prop hitting. So we'll see how that goes. But it flies great with a 9 and a 10-inch prop. It's pretty windy today. It's like 11-mile-an-hour winds. So I got a 4S 2200 in there, and 1370 is after balancing it, of course. Yeah, I put telemetry in this one. Flies pretty well at a pre-foamed. I know the PLA Plus version I had, it was pretty heavy. I want to say it was around like 1800 grams altogether. This one, the fin, I actually ran out of pre-foamed, and the fin is printed out of PLA Plus, that black. But other than that, it's all pre-foamed. So I only got my timer on 4 minutes for this one. My goal with this flight was just to get it trimmed out. Hey guys, thanks for watching. It's Bill from HoloModels RC. If you liked the video, please hit the like button or subscribe. Thank you.